What's up, my people? We taking the Rerode R1 out here. Beautiful day. It's windy, but it is beautiful. There's some other people out here. Probably going fishing. Oh, they're gonna let me pass them up. Oh, boo. Gonna have to stay behind them. Let me get to the side at least. Come on, man. No, you ruined the fun. Man, you just ruined it. You ruined my video. Oh, so sad. So sad. Oh, there's some crap here. Whoa, there's a bunch of people. Man, how all these people know about this spot now? You've seen my videos. They got flying kites. Oh man, I don't want to be out here. They're gonna start getting ideas and bringing their own bikes. Ooh. Ooh. So I know you guys are probably like, man, he's there again. He already made a couple videos on this spot. But not all my viewers who watch one bike, or who may be interested in one bike, may not be watching the videos of the other bike, you know, because they're all three different classes. So if it's in the same spot and you're watching this again, sorry, I appreciate you joining though. But I want to see, how does 8 kilowatts handle this type of terrain? I think it's going to do very well. We're going to start small. I'm in sport mode. Eco mode probably won't do as well. We're just gonna go right into it. Let's see. Can 8 kilowatts handle the mountainous hill over here? I don't know what we're gonna call it. Somebody give it a name. Oh, there's rocks. Oh, almost slid. It will. Yeah. Man, if it does that, do you need more? I don't know. I don't know. Alright, let's get down. See how safely we can do this. No. Oh, okay, not too bad. A little sketchy, but not too bad. Whee! 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 It looks so steep. 8 kilowatts, let's go. Yeah, no problem. And the brakes work. Oof. Oh man, I wish there weren't tracks in the middle. Why are there tracks, man? What am I going, 25? It's crazy how 25 feels off-road. Feels a lot faster than when you're going on the road. All right, that's a good little spot to practice some jumps. It's not too steep. Ow. Probably hit it coming the other way. Yeah, let's do it the other way. Yeah. Not too bad. Just got to build that confidence up. That's the hardest part. Once you get the confidence and you realize it's not that bad, you can get better at it. There we go. A little bit better, a little bit better. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed watching a noob hit some jumps. I'm getting better and better the more that I do them, and my confidence increases each time. Whew. But yeah, that's why I'm just taking a little bit longer and more attempts to perfect the proper body positioning and speed and putting all that together. I noticed that in the beginning I was leaning way too far forward, and I mean you could clearly see because that front tire was going straight down, making me feel like I was gonna go over the handlebars. Then I built some confidence and realized, you know, you just gotta keep your feet down, your ankles in, put your butt back, stand up a little bit, and don't be afraid thinking that you're gonna loop backwards, because that's not gonna happen. The bike is gonna want to go forward and your counterweight back, and that'll help level the bike more than it going straight nose down. Look at all my lines here. There you go. Little by little. And yeah, I know these are baby steps and baby jumps, but I'm no motocrosser. I'm just a weekend enthusiast. I don't think I've gone back here. Let's check it out. What's on this side? Oh, more drainage, okay. It's such a beautiful day. I think it's like 65, 70 degrees, a nice little breeze. Hey, I'm rhyming. But it's a great day. Ooh. What's down here? I'm gonna have to save that for another video. One day we'll go down there. Next video. Get to the other side and see where we end up. Oh man. That's a great day. Great day to be out here. I think I've been riding for about 2 hours. And I'm at 90, what's that, 80? No, okay, 83. I'm gonna say, no way, 93. 83%. 2 hours just riding around here, having fun. Exploring a little bit. Wow. That's nasty water. Stagnant. Even though there's some flow, it's not much, it's not moving over there. Ooh. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me on this ride. I have 2 more new bikes coming to the channel. You don't want to miss those. I promise you, you do not want to miss them. They are definitely amongst the top in their class. I was never the top in my class, unfortunately. But I did go to college. Anyways, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the little ding dong bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new one. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys don't want to see this spot anymore, let me know, because I know I come here a lot. I come here more often than I record, because it's just a great spot, not too far from my house. And obviously I like to go fishing on the other side. But eventually, I don't know, I'm gonna have to find a new spot, because as I come, more and more people show up each time. And yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. Thank you all. Catch you on the next one. Hill climb. Straight up, no angle, straight up, 8 kilowatts, baby. Ooh, beautiful view. Look at all these people. I gotta get out of here. SMH. I'm just kidding. I want to hit this straight. I'm kind of scared. Oh no, I'm okay. Ah. Whee.